Welcome back to Chill Talk English. Today, we're talking about a very real-life skill, packing for a trip. Not the I'm a professional traveler kind of packing. I mean normal packing, the kind where you suddenly remember you need socks. If you're learning English at B1, B2 level, this episode will help you sound natural when you talk about travel plans, what you're bringing, and how you get ready.
And we'll keep it simple, friendly, and useful. We'll also compare common American and British words because those little differences can be confusing. Like Henry says vacation and I say holiday. Same idea, different word.
Here's the plan. First, Emma and I will each share a short story about packing for an upcoming trip. Then we'll break down the best phrases from our stories with clear meanings and easy examples. By the end, you'll have a bunch of everyday expressions you can actually use.
And we'll give you many practice lines too, so you can shadow us. Ready to pack your English bag with new vocabulary?
Emma, please don't say pack your English bag.
Too late, I already said it.
All right. Emma, where are you going soon?
I'm taking a short holiday in Lisbon next week. It's not a long trip, but I still want to feel prepared. In the past, I packed in a rush and forgot important stuff, like my phone charger and my hairbrush and confidence. So this time, I'm doing it differently.
I respect that. I fear that. Please continue.
First, I make a simple packing list on my phone. Nothing fancy, just categories. Clothes, toiletries, tech, documents. Then I check the weather and plan outfits that can mix and match. I'm bringing a light jacket in case the evenings are cool and a small umbrella because I don't trust clouds.
Clouds have betrayed you before.
They really have. I also pack comfortable shoes because I'll be walking a lot. In American English, you might say sneakers. In British English, we usually say trainers. I'm also throwing in sunglasses and a small bottle of sun cream.
Sun cream, that's British. Americans usually say sunscreen.
Exactly. For liquids, I use travel-size bottles because airport security can be strict. I keep all liquids together in a clear bag so I don't panic at the security check.
That panic is real.
Then I pack my essentials: passport, bank card, some cash, and my headphones. I also keep a pen in my bag because sometimes you need to fill out a form and then everyone suddenly needs a pen. The night before I leave, I lay everything out on my bed. If it fits on the bed, it fits in the suitcase. That's my rule.
That is a good rule. I do the opposite. If it exists in my house, I consider taking it.
Henry, tell us about your trip. Where are you going?
I'm going to Chicago for a long weekend to visit a friend. It's a domestic trip, so I'm staying in the same country. That means I don't need my passport, but I do need my ID. And I need to not lose my ID, which is a personal challenge.
You can do it. I believe in you.
Thank you. So, because it's a short trip, I want to pack light. Pack light means bring fewer things so your bag is not heavy and you're not dragging a suitcase everywhere. In my imagination, I pack light. In reality, I bring just-in-case items.
Just in case is such a useful phrase, and also such a dangerous lifestyle.
Exactly. This time, I'm trying to be smarter. I made a checklist because if I don't, I end up leaving something behind. Like the time I forgot socks. I wore my shoes with no socks. I do not recommend it.
That is a travel horror story.
It was. I'm bringing 2 pairs of jeans, a few t-shirts, and one nicer outfit for dinner. In American English, we say pants, but in British English, pants can mean underwear, so careful there.
Yes, in the UK, trousers is the safer word for the thing you wear on your legs. Please don't tell your British coworker nice pants.
Please don't. For packing, I roll my clothes to save space. Rolling can also help reduce wrinkles. And I put all my tech in one place: phone charger, charging cable, power bank.
Wait, let's clarify charger and cable.
Great point. The cable is the wire. The charger can mean the whole set or the wall plug part. Words are messy, but your bag doesn't have to be.
Beautiful.
I'm also weighing my suitcase this time. Last year, my bag was overweight, and I had to pay an extra fee at the airport. Paying extra money because your bag is too heavy is a painful lesson.
That extra fee hurts your heart.
It really does. Also, I'm bringing a small day bag. In American English, people say backpack or sometimes crossbody bag. In the UK, you might hear rucksack.
And for a small bag worn across your body, some people say bum bag in the UK. Americans sometimes say fanny pack, but that word can be awkward in British English, so be careful.
Travel is educational. Okay, now let's break down our stories and pull out the best, most natural phrases.
Yes, we'll explain them simply and give you easy examples you can copy.
First phrase, I'm taking a short holiday, or I'm going on a short trip. Trip is general. It can be for work or fun. Holiday is more common in British English for time off. Vacation is more common in American English.
Example lines you can use. I'm going on a trip next month. I'm on holiday this week. I'm taking a vacation in July.
Next, I want to feel prepared. Prepared means ready, not surprised, not stressed. Example, I'm preparing for my flight.
And a super common one, I forgot important stuff. Stuff is informal but very normal in conversation. It means things or items. Example, I need to pack my stuff tonight.
Now, I make a simple packing list. A packing list is a list of items to bring. You can also say checklist. A checklist is a list you tick off.
Example lines. I made a checklist so I don't forget anything. I use a packing list on my phone.
Next phrase, nothing fancy. That means simple, not special or expensive. Example, it's a small hotel, nothing fancy.
Next, categories. This is a great word for organizing. Clothes is one category. Tech is another. Example, I organize my list by category.
Then, mix and match. This means your clothes work well together in different combinations. Example, I pack clothes I can mix and match.
It's also a life skill, not just a fashion skill.
Next, in case. In case means as a precaution, because something might happen. Example, I brought a jacket in case it gets cold.
And just in case is the same idea, but more conversational. Example, I packed medicine just in case.
Next, comfortable shoes and I'll be walking a lot. I'll be is short for I will be. It's very common in speaking. Example, I'll be out all day.
Be out means you won't be at home or in your hotel. You'll be outside or around town. Example, we'll be out all afternoon.
Vocabulary difference time. US, sneakers. UK, trainers. US, sunscreen. UK, sun cream.
Another one, US, restroom, UK, toilet. And US, elevator, UK, lift. You don't need to memorize everything today, but it helps to notice.
Next phrase, travel size bottles. Travel size means small versions that are easier to carry. Example, I bought travel size shampoo.
And airport security can be strict. Strict means they follow rules closely. Example, my school is strict about phones.
Next, I keep all liquids together. Keep together means put in the same place. Example, keep your documents together.
Now, my essentials. Essentials are the things you truly need, the must-have items. Example, my essentials are my passport and phone.
Another useful phrase, the night before. Example, I pack the night before my flight. It means the evening before you leave.
And I lay everything out on my bed. Lay out means place things so you can see them clearly. Example, lay out your clothes for tomorrow.
Now Henry's side. It's a domestic trip. Domestic means inside your country. Example, it's a domestic flight.
If it's outside your country, you can say international. Example, it's my first international trip.
Next, I want to pack light. This means bring fewer items and keep your bag small and easy. Example, I always pack light for weekend trips.
And the opposite is overpack. Overpack means bring too many things. Example, I overpacked and my suitcase wouldn't close.
Then, I end up leaving something behind. End up means the final result, often unplanned. Example, I didn't plan to shop, but I ended up buying shoes.
Leave something behind means forget it somewhere. Example, I left my umbrella behind on the train.
Next, a nicer outfit. An outfit is a set of clothes you wear together. Example, I need an outfit for the wedding.
Now, the funny but important one, pants and trousers. US, pants means trousers. UK, trousers means pants in the US. UK, pants often means underwear.
Please remember that if you come to England.
Next, I roll my clothes to save space. Save space means create more room in your bag. Example, I rolled my shirts to save space.
Next, reduce wrinkles. Wrinkles are small lines in fabric. Clothes can be wrinkled. UK speakers also use crease a lot. A crease is often a sharper line from folding.
Example lines. My shirt is wrinkled. My trousers are creased.
Next, I put all my tech in one place. Tech means technology items, chargers, headphones, cables. Example, keep your tech easy to reach.
This is helpful at security because sometimes you must take electronics out of your bag.
Now, I'm weighing my suitcase. Weigh means check how heavy it is. Example, I weighed my bag at home.
And overweight bag. Overweight means too heavy, over the limit. Example, my luggage was overweight.
I had to pay an extra fee. Extra means more than usual. Fee is a payment. Example, there's an extra fee for checked bags.
Speaking of bags, quick terms. Carry-on in American English is the bag you bring on the plane. In British English, people often say hand luggage.
And the big bag under the plane. US, checked bag. UK, hold luggage.
Great! Now let's do a quick speaking practice together. Listeners, try to repeat after us. Keep it relaxed, no pressure.
I made a packing list.
I don't want to forget anything.
I'm packing light.
I'm bringing a jacket just in case.
I'll be out all day.
I'm keeping my liquids together.
My bag was overweight last time.
I don't want to pay an extra fee.
Same.
Before we finish, Henry, what is your biggest packing mistake?
I pack for an imaginary life. Like, I'm going for 3 days and I pack like I'm moving to a new country. Then I carry the bag and I suffer and I think, why did I bring 2 books?
2 books is optimistic. My biggest mistake is packing too many maybe clothes. Maybe I'll go somewhere fancy. Maybe I'll go hiking. And then I just walk and eat pastries.
That sounds like the correct trip.
It is. Okay, final tip for our listeners. If you're learning English, practice these phrases by talking about your next trip, even if it's imaginary.
Yes, you can say where you're going, how long you'll be there, what you're packing, and what you want to avoid forgetting. And if you want, write a mini packing list in English. It's great real-world practice.
Thanks for listening to Chill Talk English. Tell us in the comments, do you pack light or do you overpack?
And what's one essential item you always bring? We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye!
Bye.